Hello everyone. Welcome to KN Technology Poster Series tutorial video. In this section, we will walk you through the steps to install and start using Poster. Install Poster app. To use Poster, please install it on KN CMS Server's web management. The CMS server must be installed the latest patches or updates. Please also make sure the account you are using has the right to access the app page. Go to Access, Account, on the CMS Management web page to edit the account you use or add an account, and activate the app in Function Accesses. Go to the app page and locate the app Poster, then you can install and start the Poster app. Press the Open button, then you can open the web portal of Poster. Introduction of User Interface. After entering Poster, you can see Add, View Mode, Search. The menu in the upper right corner can change the language of the management console. First of all, let's add a poster. You can choose blank poster, custom size, or choose a specific size, or use the template provided by Poster directly. Enter the edit screen. First, see the options in the upper left corner. Items listed from left to right are back to the main screen, show or hide the menu, undo and redo. At the bottom of the screen, it's display scaling. You can set the scaling percentage or use the mouse scroll wheel directly to zoom in and out within the preview pane. In the lower right corner, you'll see the keyboard shortcuts descriptions and the fit to screen icon, which can resize the template to fit the preview pane. Then, let's move on to the option in the upper right corner. Reset can restore the poster to the default style. Preview can see the actual playback content. Layer can show the hierarchy of each object. Long press the mouse to move the window or enlarge the window. Each object will be displayed here. You can lock the object so that it will not be moved, or hide the object. Simply drag and drop to adjust the hierarchical order of objects, or click the arrow at the top to move the layer up, down, to the top, or to the bottom. Save your poster file. Note here that you must name the poster to save it. Back to the main screen, you will see the newly added poster. After you have added multiple posters, you can switch view mode to choose a file arrangement method you want. In both view modes, you can edit the description of the poster, delete or edit poster. Toolbar. Back to edit screen. Then we see the toolbar on the left. Overview. Here you can edit the poster name, screen resolution, and grid you saw earlier. Turn on the grid to aid in the design and adjust the size to suit your needs. Templates. Apply the template back to the poster template provided by the app. Background. Adjust the percentage of transparency of the background. You can apply one single color or a gradient color. You can also upload your own pictures or use the stock image provided by the app. Text. You can add words or a long paragraph in your poster. After adding texts, you can edit location and size. Modify text orientation, letter spacing, line height, and opacity in the Attributes field. Image. Insert a picture in your poster. Similarly, you can upload your own picture or use the stock image built in the app. Furthermore, you can modify the location, size, opacity of the picture, modify the radius, rotate, resize image, and replace with other pictures. Shape. Insert the shape and modify the attributes of the same function as above. The color of the shape and border can be customized. Graphic. Select the pattern you want to insert in the same way, and modify the basic attributes. Basic editing tools. After you select the poster object, you can directly change the size of the object through dragging the object frame. In the Tools pane below, click to copy the object. Press and pull to rotate the object. Delete the object, or adjust the order of stacked objects. Finally, the toolbar will appear at the top with related editable content when the object is selected. For example, if text is selected, you can edit the font size, and other basic editing tools, and the relative position of the text within the box. In addition, you can also set animation and text effects. And the objects on the image can apply animation effect as well. For detailed instructions of a specific function, please check out other tutorial videos or the relevant resources at the bottom of the product page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow our product news and details. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing KN Technology.